In this video, we review key concepts in Webex Contact Center Analyzer and provide examples of how Analyzer can be used within your organization. There are 4 record or activity types similar to databases that flow through Webex Contact Center: Customer Session Record, CSR, Customer Activity Record, CAR, Agent Session Record, ASR, Agent Activity Record, AAR. When a contact reaches an agent, the contact's full experience in that interaction with the agent is captured by the Customer Session Record, or CSR. A CSR is identified uniquely by an interaction ID and contains 1 record per call, email, or a chat session. Duration and counts are computed and provided for activities within the session and are measured from the perspective of the customer. Each activity within the session is captured by the Customer Activity Record, or CAR. This contains 1 record per activity within a CSR. Each CAR has a start time and an end time. An Agent Session Record, or ASR, is a summary for the agent's session from login to logout and usually spans several hours of the agent's time. Each ASR has an Agent Session ID. An Agent Activity Record, or AAR, contains 1 record per activity within the agent session. Types of activities include availability to take phone calls, being connected to a caller, the after-call work or wrap-up the agent does after the call is completed, and not available codes such as idle, break, or training. Stock reports are canned reports included in the Contact Center platform. There are 4 high-level categories for stock reports. Business metrics provides visibility in the contact center, like abandoned call metrics. Historical reports provide visibility with a focus on agent and call behavior, such as agent or queue performance reports. Real-time reports focus on agent and call behavior as it is taking place. Examples are Agent Performance Report or a Queue Stats Report. Lastly, transition reports are designed specifically for customers transitioning from Unified Contact Center Express to Webex Contact Center. Note that these reports do not apply to all customers. A historical stock report can be copied and customized to the customer's specific trending needs. This is helpful when determining what information needs to be captured for metric reporting. To copy a historical stock report, access the Historical Reports folder. Review the available folders to determine which report you'd like to customize. Double-click on the folder to select and open the reporting options. Find the visualization desired and hover over to display the More options in the upper right corner of the folder. Select it and click Create a Copy. A new screen appears with the pre-designed report. Note the type of report cannot be changed. Now the report can be customized based on metric preferences. From the menu, the following formatting features can be edited: date interval, including day, all, days of the week, days of the month, weeks of the month, months of the year, compute, records. Now that the formatting has been updated, the next items to review are the row segments and profile variables. Row segments are fields used to categorize or group data within the profile variables. A profile variable is the specific data being pulled into the report. Row segments can be added from a field list by clicking on the Row Segments heading. To add a segment from the field list, select the segment and drag it to the row block. Segments can be removed by clicking the trash icon within the segment block. The profile variables listed can also be removed. To keep a variable but remove its value from the report, click the eye icon within the block. This will hide the data category. To add a variable, click to select the variable and drag it to the variable block. The block may require formulation depending on what field is chosen. The output type can be changed based on the options within the drop-down menu. Once all customizations are made, the report can be renamed at the top using the Edit pencil. Click the Save As button to save the new report to a new or existing folder. A message appears stating the report has been saved successfully. The report can now be previewed or scheduled. Historical reports are the only reports that can be scheduled for regular delivery. A report can be scheduled from an open report or a saved report listed in a folder. To schedule a saved visualization, find the visualization desired and hover over to display the More Options icon. Select it and click Schedule Job. The following areas need to be populated. Job name. It's best to use a name that will easily be identifiable when someone is receiving the report. Description. This is an additional feature to help identify the report content. Start time, timestamp, time zone, email address or addresses, subject, message if desired, output format. At the top of the scheduling page, the job can be scheduled for recurrence if needed. Once all fields are complete, click Save. When a job is scheduled, it can be viewed by returning to the Schedule Job feature. You can run the report at any time if desired. To share a report, run the report, then highlight and copy the URL address. Any users with permissions can click on the link to review the content.